Let us study about cat command. Cat command actually concatenates two or more files and print on the standard output. If we look at the command number 1 in the example cat greater than fname1, it means this command will actually read something from keyboard or standard input and will redirect to fname1. So this fname1 will actually contain whatever we type on screen using keyboard. This is a cat command with redirection. This single greater than symbol or operator is nothing but called as a redirection operator. If we just give the cat command, then whatever we type on screen, it will be displayed again on screen. Let's see what exactly it works. Let's see how it works. So on the terminal, I will just clear the screen using command clear. Clear is the command using which we can clear the screen. Now if we just type cat and if we press enter, so the command prompt, the cursor is actually waiting for user to type something. So we will type something. So whatever we type, everything is displayed again on screen once we press enter. To come out of this prompt, the shortcut is Ctrl D. To make it more understandable, I am opening on-screen keyboard. As soon as we type Ctrl D, this particular prompt will be exited. Now if we type cat space greater than symbol space fname1, now if we type something here, and if we press enter, now nothing is displayed on screen. It means now cat command has redirected the output to this particular file called as fname1. Once we are done with the typing, we press Ctrl D. Now if we do ls space -l and if we press enter, now you can see there is a one more file called as fname1, which is actually nothing but the file created by us using this cat greater than fname1. So using this command we have created this new file. If we want to see the content of this particular file on screen, the command is simply cat space fname1. Please make sure that you type every command and every file name in correct case, because Unix is a case sensitive. Now you can see, using this command cat fname1, we can display the content of this particular file on screen and we get the prompt again. So this is cat with single redirection and cat without any redirection, just to display the content. Using a single redirection, we can create a file. Using simply cat and file name, we can display the content. Now let's try one more command with double redirection and with the same file name. Now if I type, this is a new line, and once it is done, I press Ctrl D. Now if we just do cat space fname1, and if we press enter, just observe what is happening. Now you can see this fname1 has 3 lines. The first line is jainconnect.org, next line is some junk text, and the third line is this is a new line. So using this double redirection, we inform the Unix system that this is append mode file redirection. It means whatever we are typing on screen, that should be redirected to this particular file in append mode. It means existing content of this particular file is intact. If we look at the command just above this double redirection command, you can see the content of this fname1 file are 2 lines, jainconnect.org and some junk text. And if we do double redirection and we have added one more line and pressed Ctrl D, now you can see there are 3 lines. So this way, this is append mode. Now let's operate on this file again using this cat and simple redirection fname1 and press enter. Now if we just type small a and press enter and we type Ctrl D. Now if we type cat fname1 again, let us see what happens. Now whatever commands we have executed in past, you can retrieve those commands using the arrow keys. On your keyboard you will find arrow keys. Just press up arrow to see the list of commands, and once the desired command you can see on prompt, just press enter. Now I want this command to be executed, so I will just press enter at this particular command. Now you can see the content of the file, which was a 3-line content previously, has got overwritten by this cat greater than fname1, and there is just one line with small a as content. So this way you might have observed the difference between cat simple greater than and cat with append mode using double greater than. The next command is cat with 2 file names. I have a file name 1. Similarly, I will create another file called as a file name 2. I will just copy this using mouse. I have selected, right click, copy, go to the cursor, right click, paste, and I will create a file called as fname2. Now I will press enter and I will write the content as small b. I will press enter again. I will press Ctrl D. Now if I look at file file fname1, it contains small a. If I look at the content of file fname2, it contains content as small b. If I do cat space fname1 space fname2 and if I press enter, now you can see it is showing two lines of text, A and B. So it means using this command cat fname1 space fname2, I can display the content of more than one file simultaneously, one after another. If I do the same thing with redirection to some third file called as F, now if I press enter, now nothing is displayed on screen. Now if I do ls space -l, if I press enter, I can see there are three files. One is F, another one is fname1, third one is fname2. So this F has a byte count of 2. It means its size is 4 bytes. Fname1 is of 2 bytes, fname2 is of 2 bytes. So this way my F is containing the content of fname1 and fname2. So if I look at the content, I can see that there are two lines in this particular file. So this way I can redirect. Similarly, I can do the append as well. It will not overwrite this file. Existing content of this F4 file will be intact. Additionally, two more files content will be added at the end of this F4 file. Similarly, we have seen this command as well, cat fname1, to display the content. So this way you can use cat command to display content, to redirect standard output to particular file, to in append mode or in overwrite mode. This is a cat command. The syntax is cat with few options. Options are very rarely used. If you want to know about the options, just try to Google it. You will get lot of information and on your own you can learn the options. Thank you.